Discover Dubai, 10 must-visit attractions for 2025 travelers. Dubai, the glittering gem of the UAE, continues to capture the imagination of travelers from around the world. A city where luxury meets heritage, its vibrant attractions are as dynamic as they are diverse. In this exclusive travel guide, we'll unveil Dubai's top 10 must-see destinations for your 2025 adventure. From sky-high wonders to cultural escapades, this city offers an experience like no other. Let us guide you through a journey of unparalleled luxury, excitement, and discovery. Welcome to the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, standing at an awe-inspiring 828 meters. No visit to Dubai is complete without experiencing this architectural masterpiece. Visitors can ascend to the observation decks on the 124th, 125th, and premium 148th floors for breathtaking panoramic views of the sprawling desert city and glittering coastline. For 2025, the tower introduces new immersive exhibits that celebrate Dubai's evolution from a humble settlement to a global powerhouse. And as night falls, be sure to catch the latest light shows that transform the skyscraper into a beacon of dazzling color and creativity. A visit to the Burj Khalifa is nothing short of magical, a true symbol of Dubai's ambitious spirit. Just steps away from the Burj Khalifa lies another awe-inspiring spectacle, the Dubai Fountain. Nestled within the heart of downtown Dubai, this world-renowned fountain mesmerizes audiences with its captivating choreography of water, light, and music. Glistening under the desert sky, the fountain performs daily, with each show lasting between 3 to 5 minutes of pure enchantment. As the fountains swirl and leap in sync with classical, Arabic, and contemporary tunes, visitors are treated to a visual symphony that leaves a lasting impression. The Dubai Fountain is not just a display but an artistic masterpiece, making it a must-see during your stay. A short stroll from the Dubai Fountain brings you to the Dubai Mall, the ultimate playground for luxury seekers and families alike. With over 1,200 retail outlets, the mall is a haven for those who adore designer brands and high-end shopping. But Dubai Mall is far more than just a shopping destination. Step inside and marvel at the Dubai Aquarium, home to thousands of marine species, including sharks and rays. Fancy some Arctic fun? Glide across the Olympic-sized ice rink nestled within this glamorous retail hub. A good appetite will not go unanswered here, as the mall boasts a collection of fine dining restaurants featuring cuisines from every corner of the globe. Dubai Mall offers something for everyone while radiating sophistication and exclusivity. Prepare to step into both Dubai's storied past and its aspirational future as you visit the Dubai Frame. Towering at 150 meters in height and shaped like a massive golden picture frame, it offers an extraordinary perspective of the city. From one side of the observation deck, visitors can gaze at the historic neighborhoods of Old Dubai, while the other side reveals the modern metropolis brimming with futuristic skyscrapers. Walking across its glass-floored sky bridge is a thrill not to be missed. Beyond just the views, the frame houses exhibitions inside its base that narrate Dubai's transformation, making it a perfect blend of culture and innovation. For a genuine dive into Emirati culture, explore the Al Fahidi historical neighborhood. This beautifully preserved district takes you on a journey back in time with its labyrinthine alleyways, serene courtyards, and wind tower architecture. Unlike the glamour of modern Dubai, this area exudes a quiet charm, providing travelers with a rare chance to feel the city's authentic soul. Visit the many boutique galleries, cafes, and museums such as the Coffee Museum, where you can learn about Arabia's long-standing coffee traditions. Al Fahidi is an oasis for history enthusiasts and anyone seeking to connect with Dubai's roots. Next, venture to the Palm Jumeirah, Dubai's man-made marvel that has become a symbol of luxury living. Shaped like a gigantic palm tree, this artificial island is a playground for the elite, featuring some of the world's most opulent hotels, such as Atlantis, the Palm, and 5 Palm Jumeirah. Relax on pristine beaches, indulge in water sports, or revel in the vibrant nightlife that graces this iconic destination. Feeling adventurous? Palm Jumeirah offers one of the most exhilarating skydiving experiences in the world, giving you a bird's-eye view of the island's palm shape. Whether you seek relaxation or adrenaline, this unique marvel delivers on every front. For an escape from the city's glitz, venture into the Dubai desert for an entirely different kind of luxury. The rolling dunes beckon adventurers to embrace camel riding, dune bashing, and sandboarding. For a more tranquil experience, desert safaris offer visitors the opportunity to immerse themselves in traditional Emirati hospitality. As the sun sets, the golden sands come alive under the stars, offering endless stargazing opportunities. Dine on delicious Arabian cuisine at a luxurious desert camp while cultural performances featuring belly dancers and traditional drummers enthrall your senses. The desert is where Dubai connects with its natural heritage in the most serene and enchanting way. For families and thrill seekers alike, IMG Worlds of Adventure is Dubai's answer to world-class entertainment. As the planet's largest indoor amusement park, it boasts themed zones dedicated to famous franchises like Marvel and Cartoon Network. Whether it's zooming through adrenaline-pumping roller coasters or enjoying interactive attractions for younger visitors, this park has something for everyone. With climate-controlled comfort and endless attractions, IMG Worlds promises unforgettable fun in a luxurious setting. Take a peek into tomorrow by visiting the Museum of the Future, Dubai's architectural marvel with its distinctive oval shape and Arabic calligraphy exterior. Inside, the museum invites guests to explore groundbreaking technologies and visions of the future, including exhibits on artificial intelligence, space exploration, and environmental sustainability. This is not just a museum, it is an experience that challenges and inspires its visitors, making it one of Dubai's most forward-thinking attractions. For those who dream big, this is a must-visit. Finally, immerse yourself in pure opulence with a visit to Burj Al Arab, Dubai's unmistakable sail-shaped 7-star hotel. Consistently ranked as one of the most luxurious hotels in the world, it offers unmatched experiences. From private beach cabanas and chauffeur-driven Rolls-Royces to extravagant culinary delights at its fine dining restaurants, Burj Al Arab sets the gold standard for indulgence. For the ultimate experience, consider booking a suite that comes with personal butler service and panoramic sea views. Even if you're not staying at the hotel, a visit to its iconic premises is a must to soak in the splendor. Dubai isn't just a city, it's an experience like no other. With its blend of cultural heritage, ultra-modern attractions, and luxurious escapes, Dubai in 2025 promises to be a traveler's paradise. From the dizzying heights of the Burj Khalifa to the timeless beauty of the Al Fahidi historical neighborhood, Dubai offers something extraordinary for everyone. Why wait? Start planning your trip today and immerse yourself in the city of luxury, adventure, and innovation. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insider tips on exploring the world's most captivating destinations.